This is going to be some chase. One of the world's best, Wasim Akram, if not the best in the one-day game. 439 wickets, easily number one. Oh, good delivery there, straight across the right-hander. He looks to bend it back into the likes of Nathan Astor with a new ball. He's had him LBW already in the series, and as well as getting him edging into the slips cordon. You just don't know which way it is going to move. You have to see it early out of the hand and keep an eye on the seam. Here's the in-swinger.
Just from the onside towards the batsman. That's the end of the first over. New Zealand 2 without loss.
Do now against Akram. And the results will follow.
About the way he's bowling at the moment.
That's a big shout, but I fancy it's hit Fleming outside the line of off stump. 3 overs gone, 5 for none. So Wasim Akram there, right on the off stump, trying to get it back, and it's just hit Fleming outside. Perhaps a little high as well. Down the leg side, and Steve Dunn says no, that just flicked the body, if anything. There's a sound. Look at that seam up. Johanna. Oh, that's uncontrolled there from Fleming. Oh, big shout here at 2 sounds and not out. 16 for none.
See here, this ball coming back in at Astor, takes the top of his pad, flies through the wicketkeeper Mohan. The Pakistanis are very interested. Wasim Akram more in the LBW, and I think Mohan Khan more in a catch behind. But you see umpire Dunn signals the height, that it wasn't out, it hit him on the pads, it hit too high.
Fleming on 8.
He really doesn't look as though he's getting the ball through the way he has in the past.
And he should have been gone there. Great delivery. Nothing you can do with that except try and miss it.
Wasim Akram here. See, seam up on that ball and it moving away. Excellent left-hander's line.
Oh, that's quick. There's been a total turnaround in this Pakistan effort. I think back to the way Akram used the new ball in Christchurch. Different man.
The whole team's turned up to play today. Wasim Akram certainly will be trying to come back from his off performance at Jade Stadium.
He's not happy with the landing area, it seems. 37 without loss after 9.